Do Muslims, as Muslims, do we believe in karma, reincarnation of the soul into another being? Yes or no?
We don't believe like incarnation word is normally used for as a Hinduism has. We don't believe that. We don't believe we will get. We believe. Let me answer now.
No.
Let me answer.
You said no.
We
Don't cut me off. You said no.
Use that next word.
You said Hinduism. This is a practice of Hinduism.
I'm saying incarnation word is normally used for them.
Incarnation, yes.
But we don't believe in that.
Okay, so Muslims, we don't believe in incarnation. So that if you die, if if I die, there is no possibility I be reincarnated into a dog or a cat
No,
or
we don't believe
into another human being.
No.
Okay.
No, we do believe that everything. Let me just.
Okay.
We believe that.
Thank you. Rasulullah sallallahu.
Let me answer.
No. You answered. Thank you. That's all I need. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when referring to the Mahdi, because you heard him say that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is the Mahdi al-Muntadhar. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad also claimed that he is Isa ibn Maryam. But his mother wasn't Maryam. But anyways, that's another argument. We have to right now ask. He was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. He was Isa ibn Maryam, which is the Mahdi, the Muslims, the awaited Mahdi. Isa ibn Maryam, the Messiah, al-Masih, and he was al-Mahdi, al-Muntadhar. We have to right now ask. Al-Mahdi, Rasulullah says, his name, the Mahdi, is like my name, and his father's name is like my father's name. So his name is Muhammad ibn Abdullah, and he will come from Al-Hasan. He will be a Hasani, from the lineage of Al-Hasan ibn Ali, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He would not come from India. We just said that Muslims don't believe in reincarnation of the soul. So Mirza Isa ibn Maryam, according to them, has died, and this is a point against them. Isa ibn Maryam is not alive, right? He died, right? So he died. So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is not just Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. He's Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, the false prophet. He is also Muhammad bin Abdullah the Mahdi, and he's Isa ibn Maryam all in one soul. How is this? You said this is Hinduism. So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad preaches Hinduism. He does not preach Islam. Sorry? They're Trinity, yeah. So, I mean, where do you justify this? From the Quran and Sunnah, I want you to justify this. We will not move on until you justify this.
This is an ignorance of not knowing Quran properly.
I speak Arabic.
Hold on, not Arabic. So let me answer the question now.
Okay, go ahead.
In Quran, it's mentioned that Rasulullah will come again. Yes. Hold on a second. You don't know, that's what I'm saying. You never correct it. In Surah Juma, in Surah Juma, it's nothing to do with Arabic. Arabic is nothing. Arabic is Zalikal Kitabul Araba fi Hudal Muttaqin. You have to be muttaqi to understand it. Nothing to do with Arabic.
No, hold on a second. Guided. Hudal lil Muttaqin.
You know what?
It's a guide, not understand.
You're trying to help him because you think that he's done.
No,
you shouldn't be doing that.
Please.
So what?
Speak to me.
Okay, let me answer that. What is in Rasul? There is in the prophecy from Quran. I'm going to tell you. Surah Juma. It's not a question. It is in here.
Show me where reincarnation is part of Islam.
I'm going to say
you said it was Hinduism.
I'm going to tell you, sir. It's not reincarnation. It is complete.
Tell him my last arguments.
It is not. It's not. It is.
Krishna?
Okay. Here is the part. Surah Juma. In Surah Juma, I will read the Surah Juma as well. In Surah Juma it says.
Sorry?
In Surah Juma, this is Surah Juma in front of me. It was says that. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. I try to read it with guys. It take time. هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسول منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة. He is who has sent.
What verse?
First three verses. From Surah Juma, it's much better. It's much better. Okay, give me that. I'll read it.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا.
Then I can read all of it because they can understand. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Surah Juma. Come here. هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسول منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل في ضلال. He is the God who raised a prophet among those people who are uneducated. Okay, uneducated person. Kalma, you can read it. Okay, this. Then he says, raised here وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم. And also raise the same prophet to the Akhareen, the people who are not with us at the moment. And now Sahaba was sitting there, exactly, and I have this Hadith Bukhari with me, that who are those Akhareen? And at that time, okay.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم. Yet from who? Minhum, from the Arabs, you know,
okay.
From the illiterate Arab.
Okay,
don't, you know, minhum, you know, يتلو عليهم آياته, you know, ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبله لفي ضلال مبين.
Yeah, this is number one.
This is
what you are.
This is what you are saying.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's Allah. The translation is, it is He who has among the illiterates.
Yes. Send a prophet.
Send a messenger from themselves, from the Arabs, to rehearse to them His signs, to sanctify them, and to instruct them in the scripture and wisdom.
Right.
Although they had been before in manifest error, in great error.
Now the third one.
You know? So then He says now, وآخرين منهم لما
يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم. وآخرين منهم. Yani He did it to these people and to آخرين as well. This is what the meaning of that is. So when it was sitting, Rasulullah was sitting with the people, and at that time this verse was relieved to him, given to him from Allah. So the Sahaba was sitting. This is
my apologies. Here, akhareen does not mean last. It means others. Others. Yes.
No, this is going to be sent. His boss will be to some other people as well.
No. Allah says akhareen minhum, and that those among them who has not met others that have not yet met. You know, not that He will send another.
No, look at that. What Rasulullah has said. The people was sitting, but you're saying is people didn't understand it. And he was 3 times, even the Rasulullah at that time didn't understand. He took time.
Rasulullah did not understand Quran.
Hold on a second, what I'm saying. It took time. Look.
But yes, but he did not understand it at first.
What is this person? Let me tell you.
No, I'm asking.
Look, let me read it to you.
Brother, uncle, please. I don't want to. When this verse was revealed, Rasulullah did not understand it at first.
At that,
is that correct?
Because this says, by Abu Huraira this is something very important. While we were sitting with the Prophet, Surah Juma was revealed to him. And when the verse, and Allah has sent Muhammad also to other Muslims, was recited by the Prophet, I said, who are they, O Allah's Messenger? The Prophet did not reply till I repeated my question thrice. This is what I'm saying, that Rasulullah was taking everything from instruction from Allah, and it took some time. At that time, the third time he asked, he said, at the time Sulaiman Farsi was with us. He was the only not Arab sitting with them. So Allah's messenger put his hand on Salman, saying, if faith were at the place of Suraya, the highest star, then even some men or men from those folk will attain it. From these people, there's a prophecy hidden there. The time will come, the faith will not be in the hearts, it's metaphorical language.
No, it's from his people.
His people, he says, no problem. But this is not, Salman was the only one not Arab.
It says, لو كان الإيمان عند
Suraya, Rijale,
No, what's this? You said you speak Arabic a bit?
لناله. Go on.
لناله.
Yeah.
Yes. لناله what?
Rajulun wa rajulun min hawlai. This is it. But this is the translation that some men.
Rijal, not rajulun. Rijal.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you mean?
Rajulun min haula.
Meaning of that is
meaning from his people.
Meaning here is, this is your question. That mention is of Rasulullah sallallahu and not Salman Farsi. But the translation of that has been done from somebody else. So this is not incarnation, but it is that some names are given to some other people. This is then done tabir And this is possible in Quran, and it's according to Quran. If Rasulullah can have many names or something like that, so it doesn't mean that it has the quality of that person. We can call him that too. So this is according to Islam.
No,
that person. Rasulullah is saying that another person will come. Coming over Rasulullah will come.
No,
but
where does it?
It says Allah has sent him. Who are they, O Allah's messenger?
To other Muslims.
To other Muslims.
He recited the verse we just recited.
But he will be sent to them Muslims too.
Of course, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent to Muslims.
But what I'm saying is here, if you just think, sir, what I'm saying, I said.
I'm telling you, the Arabic does not match up. You said the translation.
This is
the Arabic.
This is Sunnah. All I'm saying is that you can read this. آخرين منهم لما جلكوا من قال منهم يا رسول الله. What is the meaning of your Arabic can be matter, but read that. He said even that, and I didn't say that Rasulullah at the end didn't do it. I said we asked 33 times. God told Rasulullah and Rasulullah then told us.
Yes.
See, this is what I'm saying. So I'm saying is that this, though it is said in the Quran.
So where does this say that someone else, another prophet will come?
What I'm saying is that the prophecy is of Rasulullah. There's no Salman Farsi's name.
The prophecy is
for Rasulullah.
The prophecy is that they will follow. Who will follow? The understanding is more followers will come.
No, it doesn't mean that.
He even says, in the Arabic,
It doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean that. He did this. More followers will come, and not from Salman Farsi only.
The people of Salman,
not people of all world will come. The Akhirin. This is Akhirin are not that. Akhirin are special people. Only the people from Salman Farsi. I mean, they're not Muslims will be all over the place. But he actually said these.
Where does this prove the incarnation? I'm
not saying incarnation. I'm saying
I'm asking you.
I'm saying
the point.
Some name.
You go
the name
left and right. You go left and right to attempt to.
You answer this question.
No. To attempt to distract people. I'm asking you. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad claimed he is.
Yes, the same thing. Same thing.
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad.
This is the same thing.
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad claimed he was Isa ibn Maryam from 19th century prior.
Because
he claimed he is Al-Mahdi al-Muntazar, who is Muhammad bin Abdullah al-Hasani.
Yeah.
And he claimed, well, he is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. So, I asked him before, and he said that no, reincarnation is Hinduism. It's not Islam. So what he practices, what he believes is Hinduism, not Islam. I agree with that. Where in Islam does it show that three souls can be in one body? Show me this from the Quran and Sunnah.
Now I put a question to you, sir.
No, show me this. Hold on. You said you can prove it from Quran and Sunnah. Prove it from Quran and Sunnah.
All I'm saying is he will not agree that. I'm putting the same question to him. What does Rasulullah mean? Rasulullah puts that it's written that Rasulullah will come.
Putting the question back to me is not the same as answering my question. Answer my question. Answer my question.
I'm saying is that you
answer my question. I've been waiting for 4 hours now.
I proved that already.
4 hours. No, you proved.
I've nothing. Just now that there is a mention of Rasulullah coming of Rasulullah and comes a man from Salman Farsi. So the one name can be given to somebody. So according to me, if you ask
he comes from their people.
His name will be. It's not his perfect name by Ahmadi. It will be that he will have the qualities of Rasulullah. To me,
what is your name? Abdul Nasser. Let's say, Abdul Nasser, you have a son named Muhammad. I cannot say, this Muhammad is Abdul Nasser. Why? Because he has the same qualities.
Quran has said
Quran did not say this.
Quran has said
Quran did not say
Quran
this.
is clear saying it that it says that people were sitting and ayat came at that time and people asked Rasulullah whom are you going to be appointed again? He said, no, not me.
Show me.
Look at this. The question.
Show me.
Look, show me. He was recited by Rasul. I said, who are the people?
Was recited by the Prophet, by Rasulullah. So Rasulullah recites something he does not understand.
It not understand means only for that time because the people asked him 3 times. So I'm saying,
not the people, the individual. And it says,
tell me, Allah Akbar, you have caught. I'm saying is this is. Do you believe in this? Do you believe in this?
No.
You don't believe in Quran?
No.
You don't believe in Rasulullah?
No. I don't believe your understanding of it.
So you tell me what the understanding is.
I just told you.
You didn't tell me.
I told you it means that the people.
Give me the answer. I will ask you. Let's
Read the Arabic. Read the Arabic. Okay. Read the Arabic. Read the Arabic script. Read the Arabic script. Read the Arabic script.
This is a way to
I read the Arabic.
If you can answer there. I'm saying it. Arabic is also I can.
Brother, I cannot.
Brother,
Okay.
you are running from the point. You have lost your thing. You
I cannot claim to be a scholar of the Hebrew language if I do not speak Hebrew. I cannot be a claim.
He doesn't believe in Rasulullah. This is the problem. This is the problem. Muslim people don't believe in Quran and don't believe in. I'm saying
What's
it. This is what I'm saying.
I don't believe in no Rasul.
This is Bukhari hadith. And Bukhari hadith is this is Bukhari.
This stupid arguments that you make.
And he's calling it Bukhari student. I'm saying Rasulullah.
He has the Arabic in front of him. I'm telling him, read it.
Read it.
Read it.
He doesn't have no idea.
I read it.